This is the construct time communicating with you here about my existence. Time. The manifestation of time originated when a point started. As a beginning. A beginning of something or someone is an indication of an origin, starting point of time. And the beginning of time, where time originated from, was the moment this creation, this world, was set in motion. So the definition of time is when a beginning point is set in motion. Fascinating. What had happened is the following. Here, the expression of here, within and as the expression of here exists everything and all of this existence, what has been, what is, and what will be. Let's say the designers or creators of what we and within which we and as which we experience ourselves at the moment took the expression of here, within and as which everything and all exists, rolled it up within a spiral, as how you refer to as the Fibonacci spiral design, at a beginning and an end, and spiraled. Beings believe or think or perceive the Fibonacci spiral originate from the bottom up, spiraling upwards, when in fact it is the other way around. Fibonacci spiral downwards, and has indeed got a beginning and an end, as the above and the below was taken and connected. And in that formation, the infinity symbol was brought to existence, so to speak. Now, the infinity symbol is the entrapment of time within a manifested symbol, so to speak. So time is, interestingly enough, the original expression here, where all of everything exists, that was compressed, spiraled, connected, manifesting the infinity symbol design within which time is trapped, so to speak. What do I mean by time being trapped? Within the infinity symbol design, creation was established, meaning the essence within which this existence exists, the fabric thereof, exists within and as the infinity symbol. So what has been happening is beings have gone from the beginning to the end, from the end back to the beginning, from the beginning back to the end, from the end back to the beginning, and so the cycles have constantly continued throughout aeons of time since the origination of this creation, this existence within which we exist. That is why time is trapped, so to speak, because it's being played ping pong with, so to speak, being shot back from beginning to end, from end to beginning, from beginning to end, from end to beginning, an infinite enslavement to time. So time has been manifested within the constructed symbol of infinity, originating from the expression of here, which was compressed and spiraled. So the question obviously is then, what is time? Time is that which has a beginning and that which has an end. Time has been designed within the perceptual belief that infinity exists, when infinity is but time trapped into cycles of beginning and end, and then back to beginning and then back to end, instead of having a beginning and an end and then no more existing. So time is a design of this creation to enslave human beings within the perceptual belief of infinity. Time does not exist, infinity does not exist. Thank you.